Embere y'abashubuzi n'abajejekerero bwisohereze kuba hishomero rya Mpondwe Lhubiriha SS omucyaro cya Nyabugando ya kabiri aha abantu bari kurenga 20 bisurwe kandi abahabire harimo n'abana bishomereri.
Abantu tebaze mu katale batidda akatale abantu lwalero tetukoze sente osanga watunzeyo pay emu pay abiri
because most of the mourners are still trying to bury their bodies. Their relatives in Congo, similar situation is happening. Most of the people are still also running away from the rebel attacks.
Nako zinambera ya business tambudde bubi tutunda kamu aba client befe aba business abatukwatako batugulako nako zino tebaja mu bujudde.
Omuntu asanga gamba sigenda gulanga atolwasonga ngenda jigula to mwana bamutemi kati lwaki ngulengate.
Okuligira abashubuzi bakasitoma binja bari kubaguraho n'abargo mu ihanga rya Congo konka kwiho bwiso bubaho baburiza misho kandi hate Emishuuburo yabo egizire mu buremezi.
Enyimembere birerije ebiretine nshonga abantu barija bagura ebintu byabo kurungi chonka abwe bibire hebi abantu nibatina no kujo mu katale.
Godfrey Kabyangoro Minister w'Akanyabwenge hamwe no Lhubiriha enyuma hari kuganiraho na TV West akahamya ko Emishuuburo yamwatano gwa Mpondwe eteganisibwemo.
You know, this incident has happened on Ugandan side, but such incidents have been happening on the Congo side, and they have been highly affected. Probably another thing why intelligence was not has been affected. The whole market has shifted to Lhubiriha side.
Abashubuzi bona bagira ngo bacina amasiko ngo bunde byo kwerinda byaguma bitirwa mamani embera neija kuterera.
Chonka ni manya habwa security weri munenanka embera nezagaruko mu nteko.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mhanguzi.